What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? It's Skootski back with a new video. So today we're going to be working on my 2003 Toyota Tacoma. We are installing a relay for my LEDs because I have the hyper flash. So this should take care of the issue. I looked online. There's not a whole lot of videos on this, on how to do it. It's kind of just vague. But the guy that does do it, he does like tell you how to do it. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to get to it, and because he shows you have to like climb up underneath and do it. So I'm gonna be taking this panel off and trying to get it that way. So stick with me. And taking this screw up, and then we're okay. So from there, it's on the back side of this. So I moved this to the side and I was able to get that one right there. See that? And then this one right here. And then this. So it looks like it's right there. So I'm gonna pull it out. There she is. So now, so here is the part number. Have it open this up. I'll make sure I put the link down at the bottom to show you the LED. There she is on all its glory. All right, let's put her in. Bam. Okay. Let's try her out. They said that I need to reset this like this so it can relearn. Oh my God, it's fixed. Yes. So much yes. Oh. That's so awesome. All right, now we're going to be putting it back together. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now. Alright guys, that is how you change out your flasher relay for your first gen Toyota Tacoma. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down at the bottom, and I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. See you on the next one. Bye.